If you just picked up a new 4th Gen Tacoma, likely one of the first things you did was put away your new documents. And when we went to put ours away for the first time, the first thing we noticed was this unsightly gap along the top of the glove box, along with this little bit of wiggle here. But don't worry, we have a super simple tool-free solution that takes less than 30 seconds to get installed. Okay guys, so right here on the table, we have everything that's included when you buy this fix kit, and we have all the tools you're gonna need. Guys, no tool. You're not gonna need any tools for this installation. So right here in this bag is everything you're gonna get in our glove box rattle fix kit. You can see there are 4 pieces. You're only gonna need 2 per vehicle, but we are going to include these 2 different ones. So depending which one your truck needs, you can get these installed. We're gonna hop in the truck. I'm gonna show you how to determine which one of these you're gonna be installing. To determine which one you need, you're gonna open your glove box. Take a look right here at this hole. This is where the striker that locks the glove box shut is going to be locking in. Our hole, you can see, is square. If you have a square hole, you're going to be using the inserts with the red arrow. If this hole on your Tacoma is rectangular, that is going to use the inserts with the white arrow, one on each side. So essentially how this works is Toyota has these 2 spring-loaded bumpers at the top of the glove box that are supposed to hold tension on the glove box lid when it's closed. However, these holes here don't hold it back as far as it could be held back. So our spacers move it back, close this gap, and hold more tension on these springs for a tighter fit. So like I mentioned, our truck has the square holes, which means we're gonna be using the inserts with the red arrows. These white ones you're not gonna need unless you wanna give them to a buddy, but all of my friends are smart and have 3rd gens, so we don't need those. All right, so our truck has the square holes, so we're using the inserts with the red arrows. These arrows not only indicate which one is which, but they also point in a certain direction so you know which way to install them. In both cases, you're installing with the arrow pointing towards your knees, so it's gonna be pointing towards the passenger seat when you pop these into place. Now that I've got all the tools I need right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get these installed in less than 30 seconds. I think I can do it in way less than 30 seconds. So Mikey, go ahead and start the timer now. Arrows pointing towards the seat, pop both sides in, done. So in about 5 seconds, you got a nice flush reveal around the glove box. It looks a lot better and most of the movement is gone. I know that I did that really quick, so what I wanna do is just pop these back out and show you up close and a little bit slower exactly how to put these in. All you're gonna do is take your insert and make sure the arrow's pointing back towards your knees, towards the seat, and it's just going to press fit right into that hole on both sides. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up the install on the anti-rattle inserts for the 4th Gen Tacoma. This is a really simple install, whether you just don't like that big ugly gap on your glove box, or maybe yours is making that rattling noise. This is an easy way to solve both of those problems. So if you wanna grab a set for your Tacoma, head over to YotaXpedition.com and grab them today.